Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours of time. So all this here may look like several weeks. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, and I do Bitcoin pretty much every day. So that is where these green lines are coming from. And not to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything like that, but the wheels have really kind of come off the bus right now for the bulls. As you know, the past 24 hours, I mean, the last time I did it 24 hours ago, the price was up here, doing battle with this 8,200 mark. And then the price fell. You can see it did kind of have a little pit stop right here, found some support at this 7,800 mark as support. But then even since that point has pulled back, and then at least it's found some support. I mean, the power of charts, beautiful thing right there. It has at least found some support right around that 7,400 mark. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of these lines here. Yeah, they pertain to the chart, but, just from a very kind of simplistic point of view in terms of levels to keep an eye on. Going forward, and remember the crypto markets are open 24/7, so even if you're watching this several hours from now, I like to just use this longer time frame. That way I can talk about broader, technical levels. But as far as resistance is concerned, it's all about that purple line. So like I said, if you're watching this, 7, 8, 9, 12 hours from now, the key question to really ask yourself is, well, where's the price relative to that purple line? And as long as the price is below that purple line, then the bears do own the current overall trend. I'm not saying nice bounces can happen, but as far as the overall trend, it is still bearish as long as the price is below that purple line. So therefore, that 50-period moving average truly is that key level of resistance to keep an eye on going forward. But in my opinion right now, the big thing kind of becomes support levels and just how bad is the bleeding going to get. Now, as things stand right now, as I talk, you can see the volume right now during this 4-hour session has been extremely large. You've got a hammer candle at this level of support. So while this is not a guarantee, there's no such thing as a guarantee. It would not be shocking at all to see, the chart, get some sort of bounce going forward. In the event it does bounce, again, that's where circling back, keep an eye on that purple line there. That's going to be that key level of resistance to keep an eye on. But like I said, just the dynamics here, big volume, hammer candle at support. We'll see if we can get some sort of bounce or not. Not a guarantee, like I said. I really want to reiterate. I really wish trading was that easy, and I could say a bounce will for sure happen. But surely a bounce would not be shocking to anybody given these technical events that are taking place right now. But in the event this is not the bottom, and this is just kind of a little fake hammer candle here, the next key level of support to keep an eye on over the next 24 hours. All right, I'm not sure why I did that. Let's try that again. There we go. Must have clicked the wrong button. But next key level down here right around 7,200. So 74, 7,200, definitely the next couple areas of support over the next 24 hours. But yeah, definitely interesting setup right now with the hammer candle. So we'll see if this can generate some sort of bounce or not going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.